Hello, teachers. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to this new session, which is in continuity to the previous parts of teacher training modules, which are given by NCERT. Right now, we are talking about Nishtha, and under Nishtha, there are number of teaching modules which are related to different levels. Right now, we are dealing with elementary level, pre-primary level, ECCE level, I have already discussed with you, and I am going through number of episodes of different, modules, covering different modules in each and every episode. So this is the very first page, Nishtha training modules, and under it, this we have already done in the very first part. And from the second part, I am going through this elementary level, making you understand, briefing you, a quick brief I am giving to you so that you will able to understand what is it is all about, because number of things are mentioned under it and we hardly get enough time to understand each and everything in depth. So the idea is to make you understand, to encourage you to go through certain things and to uplift your learning. Okay, teachers. So module 1, that is curriculum, I've already discussed. Module 3, health and well-being in schools, already discussed. Art integrated learning was discussed in the last episode. And today, the very important one, which I am putting in front of you, that is module 15, preschool education. This module is requested by a number of teachers to be discussed in this episode, so that is why I'm taking it on call. You can also write in the comment box which module you want to understand and on which module you need transparency, so that I'll help you out. Okay. So teachers, here in this module, it is actually providing you an overview, basically, what is preschool education is, why it is important. The teachers who are new in this platform, they can also understand, then the one who are having already experience, they can learn more. So here we are putting focus on experiences and activities for development of early childhood, right? Both literacy and numeracy and the next language, whatever be the language, according to your state or region, is also considered under it, because that is the language in which the communication is done. So preschool education, developmental domains, play activities are the certain things which are included under it. Dear teachers, SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, is also looking towards the equal distribution of children in the classroom, looking for gender equality, looking for the children to gain the knowledge at the preschool level in a better manner. So here, let's see what are the objectives, as I always discuss in each and every episode. Here you will define the preschool education. What is it? What is the importance of it? Because everyone should know the importance. Directly moving towards the higher grades, skipping the foundation year is actually a sin to be done with the child if you are not considering the preschool education on priority. Understanding the importance of creating language, print-rich environment, pedagogies, planning activities, experiences, and demonstrate an understanding of assessment in preschool years. Role of important, the main priority is given to the parents, because the parent and the community is actually responsible for making the outline of the children. So here you have to make a complete transparency with the objectives, that these are the things which I have to learn so that I shall be a good preschool teacher. Now, as we always discuss the content outline, what should be in the content. So here is the content outline in front of you. What will be the learning environment in the preschool? There are different standard SOPs which are designed for creating the environment. The idea is we have to maintain that environment. And it is like we are putting efforts to maintain the environment. Unseen and seen challenges are always there. So you need to be very firm with that, very clear with those challenges and looking for the solution of them. There is no way out when you are looking for the things which are not easily achievable by you. There are certain things. So the idea is we can go for the solutions. Pedagogies, different pedagogies are there in the preschool education. Make it diverse. How you will plan your activities, how you will plan the experiences, how you will make the portfolio of the children. That is a beauty of a facilitator in the classroom. And linkages, smooth transition to primary grades. I don't know how many teachers of you understand this. So that is why I'm putting light on the ninth point, that is linkages and smooth transition. When the child from grade KG, or you can say from kindergarten, when the child is going towards the primary grades, that is grade 1, there will be a transition phase where the child is going from the pre-primary foundation year level to the primary level. There the child will see the different concept where the mother teacher concept, get slowly or gradually get deleted. There they will get the subject teacher transition. So in the grades, the children face difficulty. So always try to maintain a transparency with the primary grade teachers, and a smooth transition is required so that the child will perform in a good way as he was or she was performing in the kindergarten. So teachers, if you have any doubt regarding any point, you can write in the comment box also so that I can put a clarity on this. So this is all about this module where you have to take care of preschool education of the child. Keep on counseling the parents as well if you are a preschool teacher, that these are the certain things which we are doing with the children and we are uplifting the growth of the child in the classroom. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Keep learning, keep growing.